Hi friends, today we will learn how to manage our general item master in Finsys ERP. Items are divided in two categories: general items, that is raw material, brought out parts, consumables, production items, and finished goods. Finished goods are those items for which we receive orders from our customers and then we eventually manufacture them and sell them. General item masters, on the other hand, are the raw materials, BOPs, and other parts which are used in the manufacture of the finished goods. Both of the item masters are very important. Now, let us directly see how and why the general item master is required for proper working of all the modules in Finsys ERP. The general item master is available in engineering and planning, like the main group and subgroup that we discussed in the earlier videos. The general item master is dependent on the main group and subgroup for its opening. So, for a general item master to be opened properly, the main group and subgroup must be open before this. Let us see how the general item master happens. We go to the general item master. The screen allows us on the top the selection of the main group and the subgroup. Main group is the main category, subgroup is the subcategory to which the item code which we are going to open will be attached to. When we want to take out a report, we can select both the main group and the subgroup or even the item code to see the stock ledger, stock summary, stock valuation or any other inventory related report. Now let us learn how to open an item master. Like in other options in Finsys, we select the new button first. The system already automatically goes to the main group. We select our category of main group under which we want to open the item. Knowing this is important. That is why the option of opening items is restricted to selected people so that the reporting is much better when the items are opened correctly. I select the main group. Now I select the subgroup. You must be remembering that we opened these subgroups in our previous videos. Suppose I have a new item which is SK224BF subgroup. We will now enter the dimensions related to this subgroup to open an item code. As soon as I open the subgroup, the relevant fields open on the screen which are required to open this item. One of the important of them is the mill name. I select the mill name. I select the width, suppose 150 centimeter, and I select the GSM, suppose 200 GSM. As soon as I press tab button, automatically the naming comes as SK224BF 150 centimeter into 200 GSM DPP. The benefit is the name will always be in a standard shape. BF will come first, then the width and then the GSM. So while making the purchase orders, there will be no mistake or misunderstanding at the end of the vendor whether 200 is the width or 150 is the width, because we have mentioned clearly centimeter with the width and GSM 200 GSM along with the mill name. The system also automatically converts it to inches for the benefit of production people who are sometimes understanding the data in form of inch and not centimeter. Automatically the unit of measurement fills up from the subgroup master, and the secondary unit we will do is the reels, because system will show the data reporting both in form of kgs and in form of reels. We also have to link the HS code which is required by the government for purchasing, mentioning on the purchase order. Suppose we press craft paper, which is available from our master file, and simply save it. The item gets saved. So you must have seen the process is very simple to open the item master. You select the main group, you select the subgroup, the mill which is for this item code, the width of the item in centimeter and the GSM. The name gets created automatically for systematic naming.